This is Oliver Slope with Blue Line Futures from the floor of the CME here in Chicago with your Livestock Roundup. Well, we saw the live cattle get a bid and hold it for much of the afternoon so far, which is nice to see. We saw 122.5 trade on the Fed Cattle Exchange yesterday. 126 today is really what got the bulls excited. But really, the futures board was not able to hold the ground that I would have wanted to see with that type of cash trade. This is one of those markets where it's been kind of frustrating if you've been long. So we're kind of pushing the fundamentals off to the side and focusing a little bit more on the charts. You got to trade the market you have, not necessarily the one you want. I think there's good value in this market. Live cattle June looking down here 106, but I think there's going to be a lot of resistance and headwinds between 109 to 110. This represents the middle of the range basically over the last 14 months. I think that might be an opportunity to actually look at the short side. Now, on the feeder cattle side of things, same type of deal, just kind of stuck waiting for a bigger move. We've been trending higher lows and higher highs, which is very encouraging, but we really want to see that burst and breakout. If fats can do it, I think the feeders can follow. And if the August gets out above some of these resistance levels, I think 148 to 150 is definitely in the cards. Now, wrapping things up with the lean hogs, right in the middle of a risk range here, treading water around 74. There's a lot of support at 70, a lot of resistance at 78, but we're trading at about 74. So I think this is a no trade. Sometimes the best trade is no trade. So I think now sit on your hands and wait for a little bit more clarity on which way this market wants to go. That's what we're looking at to wrap up the week. That's what you should be looking at too. This has been Oliver Slope with Blue Line Futures from the floor of the CME.